Hello and welcome to another Process Love Candy. My name is Mark Sheard, but you can call me Sheardo, and today we're going to be drawing the wonderful Miss Scarlet Soda. She's a brilliant pin-up model, and here's a little preview of what you can expect. I'm going to be messing around with a little bit of animation today, experimenting and trying some new things. I'll put some links down below in my notes so you can go and follow Miss Scarlet Soda on the socials and check out her wonderful work. So I've started with some concept rough drawings here, just little sketches quickly. I'm trying to use minimal amount of black line work in this drawing, and so I've done a few extra little small ones just to try and see what will work and how much I can get away with. So now it's time to get in my drawing animation proper. I've started with my red col-erase pencil, and I'm just drawing it each on the same page right next to each other. Normally with animation you would layer it on top of each other and trace over your own work, but I've done a lot of animation in my time, and as part of this experimental animation I'm doing it just side by side to really try and get that unique look, you know, traditional hand-drawn and a bit more unrefined look to it. I kind of want it to look different and handcrafted. I'm going in with a minimal palette. I like to use this tiny little small ink palette here because it helps me use less colours, you know, and with a more refined palette then you can get much more definable drawings, and it makes things a bit more interesting. In the end I just wanted to go over and add a little bit more shadow in the end, so I've just used a little bit of brown ink wash here just to add some extra more shadows and definition, as I'm not using as much line work to my drawing. So now that I've finished all my drawings, it's time to put them together into a little animation. So let's see how this wonderful little walk cycle of Miss Scarlet Soda has turned out. Well, I think that was the best little animation experiment I've done yet. I'm very happy with how that's turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. This has been Sheardo. I love you all and stay well. And next time you get that chance, get out and go for a walk in the sun. It's beautiful out there.